Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of enabling dark mode in the Truth Social app. Dark mode not only provides a sleek, eye-friendly interface, but also helps conserve battery life on OLED screens. First, open the Truth Social app on your phone. Next, tap on the profile icon located at the top left. Then, select Preferences from the available options. After that, scroll down until you find the Appearance option. Tap on it to access the theme settings. Finally, choose the Dark option. Your app's interface will update instantly to dark mode, providing a more comfortable viewing experience, especially in low-light conditions. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.